Google's Gemini has achieved a significant milestone by surpassing 1 billion monthly active users, making it the company's fastest-growing product ever. The platform's adoption is driven by strong engagement patterns, with 63% of users leveraging voice interaction for hands-free computing. The AI's capabilities are evident in its image generation prowess, producing over 150 million images daily as users explore creative possibilities. The iOS ecosystem has been particularly receptive, with over 100 million active users on Apple devices. This growth reflects Gemini's deep integration across Google's ecosystem, from search queries to Gmail assistants and Android device features, creating a seamless AI experience. Meta has made a strategic move in the AI race by releasing a 30 billion parameter open-weight agent designed to run efficiently on a single GPU. This model capability is significant because it eliminates the need for expensive cloud infrastructure, allowing developers to deploy sophisticated AI locally. The open-weight release is a deliberate choice to democratize access, enabling the broader developer community to build with advanced AI without enterprise-level resources. This represents a fundamental shift in how the industry approaches AI deployment, moving away from centralized cloud-only models. The accessibility of this technology addresses the growing demand for on-device AI inference, pushing computational power closer to end users and reducing latency constraints. Nibius has delivered impressive financial results, with its AI cloud business expanding nearly six-fold, demonstrating the explosive demand for specialized AI computing infrastructure. The company's total second-quarter revenue reached $582.3 million, substantially exceeding analyst expectations and highlighting investor confidence in AI-focused cloud services. During the quarter, Nibius secured multiple significant contracts, with enterprises seeking dedicated infrastructure for AI workloads. This growth trajectory reveals how intensifying demand for GPUs and AI computing resources is reshaping the cloud market landscape. The company's performance underscores a broader trend where organizations are willing to invest substantially in cloud infrastructure, specifically optimized for artificial intelligence development and deployment. Google has announced its latest Pixel smartphone lineup, comprising the Pixel 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro XL, all powered by the newly developed Tensor G6 chip. The hardware evolution includes significant camera system improvements that enhance photography capabilities across various scenarios. The physical design has been refined to deliver thinner profiles while maintaining performance, reflecting modern smartphone design trends. The Tensor G6 processor has been specifically engineered to enable powerful on-device AI processing, supporting features like Magic Capture that leverage machine learning directly on the phone. This announcement reinforces Google's strategic direction of making AI an integral part of the mobile experience, pushing advanced capabilities from cloud services to user devices. Samsung has introduced UFS 5.0, a next-generation storage technology specifically engineered for modern mobile devices and emerging on-device AI applications. The advancement in storage speeds is crucial, as smartphones increasingly run sophisticated artificial intelligence models locally. This technology enables mobile devices to handle previously cloud-dependent AI tasks, from image processing to language understanding, directly on the phone. The improved data throughput is essential for supporting increasingly complex machine learning workloads that require rapid access to training data and model parameters. Samsung's innovation addresses a critical bottleneck in mobile AI deployment, where storage speed directly impacts the responsiveness and capabilities of on-device AI features in smartphones and wearables. TSMC reported a remarkable 45% increase in July sales, signaling robust demand for advanced semiconductor manufacturing capabilities. The company has responded by raising its full-year 2026 revenue growth forecast to over 40%, reflecting confidence in sustained market demand. This growth is particularly driven by TSMC's advanced CoWoS packaging technology, which is now essential for manufacturing high-performance AI accelerators required by global technology leaders. The company continues investing and expanding CoWoS capacity despite existing bottlenecks, indicating belief in long-term demand growth. TSMC's central position in the semiconductor supply chain serving NVIDIA, Apple, AMD, and Qualcomm means its performance metrics directly reflect the health of the broader AI infrastructure build-out occurring worldwide. A critical supply chain security incident involved malicious light LLM package releases on the Python Package Index (PyYPI) that remained available for 40 minutes in March 2026. During this window, the compromised packages contained credential-stealing code capable of harvesting sensitive credentials, including cloud keys, SSH keys, Kubernetes tokens, and database passwords from systems that installed them. The scope of exposure is staggering, affecting prominent organizations like AWS, Cisco, and Samsung, while threat intelligence firm CloudSEK uncovered a dataset of approximately 434,000 files captured from the breach, mapping potential exposure across more than 2,500 organizations. This incident underscores the critical vulnerability existing in the Python package ecosystem, where compromised open-source dependencies can rapidly propagate to thousands of organizations. The attack pattern reveals a concerning trend in the AI infrastructure space, where software supply chains represent an increasingly attractive attack vector for adversaries. Taiwan disclosed that it has been targeted by a sophisticated, AI-driven hacking campaign designed to compromise critical government systems. The campaign represents a concerning evolution in cyber warfare, where attackers are leveraging artificial intelligence to enhance attack sophistication and evade traditional security measures. This incident highlights how geopolitical tensions are increasingly manifesting in the cyber domain, with nation-states deploying advanced capabilities to probe and penetrate government infrastructure. The successful exploitation of Taiwan's systems underscores existing vulnerabilities in critical national infrastructure, despite defensive investments. This attack pattern reflects a broader trend, where artificial intelligence is being weaponized by advanced threat actors to enable more effective reconnaissance, exploitation, and persistence within high-value targets. CEVA Logistics, a major European contract logistics provider, experienced a ransomware attack that compromised 8 warehouse facilities across its operations. The cyber attack resulted in significant operational disruptions, causing shipment delays for multiple customers dependent on CEVA's logistics services. This incident underscores how critical logistics infrastructure has become an increasingly attractive target for ransomware gangs seeking to maximize financial impact through operational leverage. The widespread nature of the compromise affecting 8 separate facilities, NISA indicates either sophisticated network-wide lateral movement or a highly coordinated multi-site attack. The event demonstrates how cyber attacks on transportation and logistics providers create ripple effects throughout global supply chains, impacting numerous downstream companies and their customers. The cryptography community faces mounting urgency as NIST completed its post-quantum cryptography standards selection in August 2024. Yet the blockchain industry remains largely unmobilized on migration. Bitcoin's market capitalization of $1.56 trillion represents the scale of at-risk assets, with research suggesting that between 25% and 40% of circulating Bitcoin resides in addresses with publicly exposed private keys. This vulnerability is particularly acute, given the evolving quantum computing hardware development by technology leaders like IBM and Google, which could theoretically break current elliptic curve cryptography. The cryptographic threat is compounded by the potential for adversaries to execute harvest now, decrypt later attacks, where encrypted blockchain data collected today could be decrypted once quantum capabilities mature. The lack of coordinated migration plans across major blockchain platforms represents a critical gap in preparedness, as the technology community has provided clear guidance, but adoption remains stalled at the protocol level. CodeRabbit, an AI-powered code review platform, has successfully raised $143 million in funding, achieving a $1.5 billion valuation in the process. The substantial investment reflects strong investor confidence in the market potential of AI-enhanced developer tools that automate traditionally manual code review processes. CodeRabbit's platform leverages artificial intelligence to provide intelligent, context-aware code analysis, helping development teams identify issues, suggest improvements, and maintain code quality at accelerated velocities. The significant funding round underscores a broader industry trend, where venture capital is flowing toward tools that leverage AI to enhance software developer productivity and code quality. This investment pattern demonstrates how generative AI is increasingly being integrated into core development workflows, transforming how software engineers write, review, and maintain code. The Cloud Security Alliance released its Top Threats to Cloud Computing 2026 report, revealing that artificial intelligence has emerged as a significant attack enabler that security professionals are increasingly concerned about. The comprehensive research, which surveyed over 500 industry security experts, identified AI not only as a tool enabling more sophisticated attacks against cloud infrastructure, but also as an attractive target for adversarial attacks itself. Cloud computing environments are particularly vulnerable to AI-driven threats, as these systems often host the machine learning models and computational resources that attackers seek to compromise or exploit. The report emphasizes that traditional cloud security approaches are inadequate for defending against AI-enhanced attack techniques, necessitating a fundamental reimagining of security architectures. Organizations operating cloud infrastructure must develop AI-aware security strategies that account for both the offensive capabilities AI provides attackers and the defensive opportunities it enables defenders. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more content and stay updated with the latest technology news.